Hello my friends, here I came with a new video where I want to show you my new tool, and it is KNIPEX, and of course this is plier, but this is not usual plier. Here you can see the part number. This is hose clamp plier for the click clamps. Now I will remove it from the box and show you how it looks. It is 180mm version. KNIPEX also offers 250mm version of it, but I'd better decided to buy this little guy, and I like it very much. Now let's remove this plastic cover from the plier itself and see how it looks and what is it in really. Here in this guy, KNIPEX 8551 180C, made in Germany. You can see hose clamp plier, how it is. If we translate it on German or in German, excuse me, but I cannot pronounce this word, very difficult word for me, but anyway, made in Germany, KNIPEX Cobra. All the best traditions of the tool, how it is built, how it looks, how it feels, what can you expect from the KNIPEX tool, vanadium stamping, and here it is, the main positive side of the tool, which offers you to work with the hose clamps, which are click-on clamps. I have here in my garage usual hose clamp, also KNIPEX Cobra 180 version plier. This is 180A, and the second one, newer, is 180C. And the main difference with them is the head profile, especially the jaws. Here you can see that the usual hose clamp plier has some round jaws versus the newer plier, which has some differently optioned and machined jaws, and these two pliers allow you to work with a majority of the hose clamps which are applied on the modern cars. That's why I picked this second one, guys. Here you can see the special jaws which are rotating 360 degrees, and you can use this as straight as in the angled positions, and this plier will work in every angle, I think. I like it very much, guys. Now I am going to replace the fuel filter on my car, and on W210, especially from the facelift models, there are click-on hose clamps which secure the hose tubes on the fuel filters, and that's why I decided to go and buy this plier. I think this will allow me to work very freely with the fuel system. Otherwise, these two are almost the same, exactly the same. They have same design, they have same length, and everything you see here is the same. But once again, this newer 180C has the different attachment jaws, the elements which allow you to work with the click-on hose clamps. The first one, 180A, this one is supposed to be a good solution for the spring-loaded hose clamps. So, how much this costs for me? I ordered it from Germany, and this is a cheap tool. It cost about 45 euros, and I think this is not cheap for the plier, but this is KNIPEX. Here you can see, by the way, how the jaws are movable. We have some moving here, but not a big deal. Everything moves very freely. The head is very slim. it allows you to work in the tight areas, and this type of house clamps are often situated in the areas where the place is restricted, and I think this plier will allow me to work very good and save enough time, guys. Now I have both of them in my garage, and I am not going to order some of the bigger brothers of them, 250mm ones, because 90% this 100 A and C will cover my tasks on my car. Otherwise, what can I say about it? It feels very good in my hand. It is oily from the factory, and I like it very much. You can see the oil marks on the head especially. This is not the tool you will need every day, guys, but there are some applications even under the hood of the cars and on Mercedes cars, of course, where you simply must work with this tool. It is good to apply and install those click-on house clamps, and it is also good to remove that click-on house clamps. I don't think that the click-on house clamps are reusable. If you remove one of them, you must change it with the new one, and of course I have ordered some genuine Mercedes click-on house clamps for my fuel filter. I will show you them when they will arrive, but once again, this tool will allow you to remove this type of house clamps and also install them freely without any damaging the house clamp itself, and not to hurt yourself. Some guys are working with the screwdrivers and other combinations, and I don't like this solution. I like to own the proper tool for the proper work. Yes, I have to invest for it, but I am this kind of guy. And here you can see the illustration how these pliers are supposed to work with the applications. And once again, I think that this is very good solution. This is not promotional video, guys. I will not say anything about the KNIPEX quality in this video. I wanted to show you this tool because I think this is special, and every DIYer or even professional, of course, may go with it. Here is the bigger diagram, and here is the illustration how this plier works. Once again, the part numbers of the bigger and the smaller one, and made in Germany. I like made in Germany, and I think you will like it also. So guys, this was a little video about this tool. Hope you enjoy. If you like my videos, please thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. By the way, Merry Christmas to all of you, and also Happy New Year, Happy 2024. I'm very happy to share my experiences and my tools with you, and hope the new year will be even better for us. So once again, thank you for watching, and catch you in the next episodes. Goodbye.